Hey, it's Lauren, founder of Fachie Market, and I just wanted to give you an insight into my anti-aging routine. Step 1, I use a rosehip cleanser. It's rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants, which boosts new cell generation and rejuvenate skin. Using my plant-based butterfly clip in opal, I set the tone for step 2, which is my once-a-week beet clay mask. This antioxidant-rich blend is packed with minerals that brighten and rejuvenate your complexion. Now that my skin is cleansed and detoxed, I move on to my step 3 Hibiscus toner. It's light and fresh, making it a perfect skin toner or midday refresher. Which brings me to my Bakuchi Oil Serum. It's a natural retinol alternative which tackles fine lines and wrinkles from the inside out, using our organic rosehip, ginseng, and hibiscus. Last but not least, step 5 is our Lotus Moisturizing Cream. Lightweight and soothing, our cream hydrates your skin while diminishing the signs of aging. You can shop our full Lotus Bloom anti-aging collection on Fachie Market. Until next time, bye guys.